4 minutes till my open house, and I'm going to do a quick video of the food. So I kind of have a nautical theme going on. My daughter was my caterer. So we have little tomatoes and mozzarella balls, fruit skewers, brie and apples with caramel sauce on top, spinach dip, candy coated pretzels, and a few desserts. Some cupcakes, some gluten-free fig bars, and some mini cupcakes. And now I'm just going to show you these people that are outside waiting to get in, because I told them nobody could come in before 1 o'clock. Have a great day.